In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make the Organizagion structure on Zoho People. To begin, you will want to open Zoho People and head to the area where the company hierarchy is displayed. In the left side menu, click Organization and then select Organization Chart. This is where Zoho People builds and displays your reporting hierarchy based on employee information. Next, you will configure how the chart should be generated. Look for Settings, which is usually shown as a small gear icon, or you may see an option called Chart Settings. Click that to open the chart configuration. In the settings, set the base field for the hierarchy to Reporting To. This is important because it tells Zoho People to build the structure using manager relationships. If Reporting To is selected, each employee will appear under the manager they report to, and the full structure will form automatically as those links are filled in. Once that is set, you will need to make sure employee records actually have the correct Reporting To value. Go to the employee list by clicking Employee, and then Employees. You will now see your directory of employees. Click on an employee name to open their profile, then choose Edit so you can update their details. Inside the employee record, locate the field labeled Reporting To. In that field, select the appropriate manager for that employee. Take your time here, because the organization chart is only as accurate as the Reporting To information you enter. A helpful tip is to ensure managers are set up first, so they can be selected properly when updating their team members. After selecting the manager, click Submit to save the change. Repeat this edit and submit process for other employees as needed, until the reporting lines reflect your real organization. Finally, return to Organization Chart. Once the Reporting To relationships are saved, Zoho People will generate the structure automatically, and you should now see your hierarchy displayed in the chart based on the updated reporting information. That covers everything you need to know.